Alright, well, it's just a something. Alright. Red, yeah? You were in Sonic Racing Crossworlds. What? You're in Sonic Racing Crossworlds. Really? Yeah, do you not understand? You were in Sonic Racing Crossworlds. I don't know. Is it better I show you the video? Yes. Where is that video? Where's that video I watched this morning? Red, this one I'm talking about. Oh yeah. Just hit play. Alright. Okay, this is real or... It's real. You gotta trust me. I'm in the game! Yes! I'm in the game! Yes! Okay, you ain't wrong in this one, but I was in the game as the movie form. I thought they're gonna use the classic form or something. No. But I got another thing to show you. What? It starts with PP. What? What's the stand for? What's that? Oh. So she's in the game. Yes. She's doing the popularity. Okay then. Well, that's the greatest update I've ever seen. Yep. Sega music soundtracks. I mean, that's pretty cool. And amazing, I guess. Wow, Rex, you ain't lying about this situation. No. Yeah. I'm kind of happy. I am so happy that I was in the game. And she was in the game on May? Yeah. And I'm in April. So, yeah. I could really, yeah. This is the best update so far.